How to insert an image in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and open the document where you want to insert an image. Next, tap the plus icon at the top menu to open the insert options. From the available options, select image. Now, choose where you want to upload the image from. You can select from photos to pick an image saved on your device, use from camera to take a new photo instantly, or choose from wave to insert an image using a direct URL. Once you choose the image, it will be added to your document automatically. You can tap the image to resize it, move it around, or adjust the layout by choosing text wrapping options. To reposition the image, simply drag it to your desired location in the document. You can also tap on the image again to access more editing options like replacing or removing the image. And that's it. Now you know how to insert an image in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.